Have you ever wondered why acne and blackheads keep coming back even after using expensive products? The answer lies deep inside your pores. Today, we'll explain the science behind how deep cleansing helps in acne and blackhead removal. How deep cleansing helps in acne and blackhead removal. Science explained. Acne and blackheads are not just surface-level skin problems. They develop deep inside the pores due to a combination of excess oil, dead skin cells, bacteria, and environmental impurities. Many people wash their face daily, yet still struggle with breakouts. This is because regular cleansing only removes surface dirt, while impurities remain trapped inside the pores. This is where deep cleansing for acne and blackhead removal plays a crucial role. To understand how deep cleansing works, it is important to first understand the structure of the skin and pores. Understanding pores and acne formation. Our skin contains thousands of tiny openings called pores, which are connected to sebaceous glands. These glands produce sebum, a natural oil that keeps the skin moisturized. However, when excess sebum mixes with dead skin cells and dirt, pores become clogged. This clogging leads to blackheads when the pore remains open and oxidizes, and acne when bacteria grow inside blocked pores and cause inflammation. Regular face washing cannot fully clean these blockages. Deep cleansing targets the root cause by penetrating deeper layers of the skin and clearing clogged pores. The science behind deep cleansing. Deep cleansing works by combining heat, exfoliation, and oil-absorbing ingredients to remove impurities from within the pores. When pores are opened through gentle heat or steam, trapped oil and debris loosen. This makes it easier to remove buildup that causes acne and blackheads. Scientifically, this process reduces pore congestion and limits the environment in which acne-causing bacteria thrive. Role of exfoliation in acne and blackhead removal. One of the most important scientific aspects of deep cleansing is exfoliation. Dead skin cells naturally shed, but in acne-prone skin, this process is often slow. These dead cells accumulate and block pores. Exfoliation helps speed up cell turnover and prevents pore blockage. Chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid are especially effective because they are oil-soluble and can penetrate deep into pores to dissolve excess sebum. Oil control and sebum regulation. Deep cleansing also helps regulate sebum production. When skin is not properly cleaned, oil builds up and triggers more acne. On the other hand, harsh cleansing can strip natural oils, causing the skin to produce even more sebum. A balanced deep cleansing routine removes excess oil without damaging the skin barrier, helping to maintain healthy oil levels and reduce blackheads. Removal of acne-causing bacteria. Another scientific benefit of deep cleansing is reducing acne-causing bacteria. Clogged pores create an ideal environment for bacteria to grow. Deep cleansing clears these blockages, improves oxygen flow to the skin, and reduces bacterial activity. This lowers inflammation, redness, and the frequency of breakouts. How deep cleansing improves skin barrier function. A healthy skin barrier is essential for clear skin. When pores are clogged, the barrier becomes weak and prone to irritation. Deep cleansing, when done correctly, supports barrier repair by removing toxins and allowing skincare products to absorb better. This improves overall skin health and reduces future acne formation. Why blackheads reduce with deep cleansing? Blackheads form when clogged pores are exposed to air and oxidize. Deep cleansing removes the oil and debris before oxidation occurs. Clay and charcoal masks are scientifically proven to absorb oil and impurities, helping minimize blackhead formation over time. How often should deep cleansing be done? From a scientific point of view, deep cleansing should be done in moderation. Daily gentle cleansing is essential, while deeper steps such as exfoliation and masks should be limited to 1 or 2 times per week. Over-cleansing can disrupt the skin barrier and increase acne. Final thoughts. Understanding the science behind deep cleansing. Acne blackhead removal helps you make better skincare choices. Deep cleansing works because it targets clogged pores, excess oil, bacteria, and dead skin cells at the root level. With consistency and the right approach, deep cleansing can significantly reduce acne and blackheads, leading to healthier and clearer skin.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.